And this morning, millennium experience telecommunications contact what is so wrong happening and definitive or recognized by international complete. But about also Premier ID, Internet ID 6661 for discovery and context from this moment international coincidence many hijacker on countries 6661 for discovery being recognized as a pioneer for the existence of case supernatural different kind and context quite famous actually for the experience telecommunications about Internet ID 6661 got discovered claim on this day and already being confirmations by international to alien family global for claim discovery number called Vivo on this moment millennium. The basic about pioneering existence case supernatural conspiracy and human commanding goods in grave some countries. Their connections also about religions and also about ethnic customs local from Indonesia. Context definitive or recognized by alibi from Internet ID 6661 discovery actually. Alien Fire Global to the delegation name also so Alien United States of America already agree for status next conversations about conference Internet ID 6661 for discovery for perfecting speech name one corner also and alibi also about experience telecommunications contact what is supernatural happening at the same time and that's why also what about Internet ID 6661 for discovery being approved for status on appointment with Alien Farm International about claim as original 666 in the world already approved by international investigation also with Alien Farming Global. Definitive match and already complete for next appointment also meaning about Alien Farming appointment decorations existence in national money logo original 666 in the world. Third is millennium by patent 6661 for discovery definitive non to be dubbed anymore and Alien Farming Global contacting for their interest after to make acquisitions on assets to decorations money logo 666 on the moment that they 6661 for discovery include for that as patent stamp original 666 actually Alien Farming on appointment non another 666 acquisitions of best context saying also about forex and also about internet and another confirmations to Alien Farming Global to Alien United States of America and context saying this also about taxing ownership assets Alien Farming on international who made conversations about national my logo 666 on basic confession international by then also taxing Alien Farming ownership assets confirmation acquisitions going to be published next after this conference and 6661 for discovery definitive include also for status being approved on reward money for Stockholm decorations, my logo 666, alien family RC. Still maintains and perfecting for the investigation and also signature by Alien Family Global International and connections of Chrome's actually. 6661 discovery definitive proof on this day. Our race and Christ historical to religions, century, and also about appointment alien family or millennium. 666 internet code digital money or about the internet also. From this moment, experience the communications contact body supernatural happening. Contact still going on. Totally live 666 on discovery. But about investigation also, alibi, to authentications, case supernatural international. Suspect identity, made ruling. Totally live 666 on discovery. The conspiracy syndicate social or networking forensic internet also already being posted. Get connected actually to already live experience supernatural name in one comment. It can also have our job name in one comment also being sabotaged by them. The syndicate and also about local peoples from the Mystic Country, Indonesia. 6661 for discovery being question also, being approved also, meaning for status nationality from country Indonesia. Context definitive being honored for that by international. For struggling experience case supernatural ordinary. Since 2008, our reclaim on Internet Global and still going on until this year 2021. Almost New Year's for 2022 actually. And definitely for about calculating reward money to name one connect also at the same time. Because the improvement definitive already being approved. Definitive non-fake. Naming one connect on status as primary victim for suspect syndicate, international and local domestic from country Indonesia. But about also need to be say also on the job naming one connect, being sabotaged, being black code, being exploited. My damn. 6661 for the discovery meaning already made claim for suitable court international about reward money name one connect 22 trillion rupiah. Definitive already been recognized by international and also alien family global and already contact also for that the Indonesia country government. But about claim internet ID 6661 for discovery on Sweet Code International 22 trillion rupiah. And to this moment calendar again experience the communications still happening and 6661 for discovery still need to make the report or statement claim for status definitive victim and also black good for the experience supernatural unrecognized peoples, non-responsible peoples, and probability already being investigated together by government, each countries. Also Indonesia and also United States and also Islam International include for that. And what confirmations to Alien Farm International because status as authority for official and alibi to enter the ID 6661 for the scar premium. 6661 for the scar premium. Definitive made perfection for the speech to Alien Farm International. To about appointment successions, reform number vivo. There already been complete, definitive, significant, and progressive by claiming to the ID 6661 for the scar premium since years before 2021, and also about the segment case being a statement, being a confirmation on Internet ID 6661 for the scar premium conference years after years until this year 2021. Actually, already began since 2008 with claim alibi or suspect include also people from country Indonesia. Each local mystic there, such also town Medan, and also their group each others, and also another local domestic province or city or village or town or country in Indonesia. Actually, since 2008 progress until this year 2021. 6661 for the scar premium was confirmation about that to Alien Farm International. For make calculation, accurations, significant about reward money 22 trillion rupiah name even connect. Definitive, clear, for the moment experience years after years until this is 2021. 6661 for the scar premium. Contact approaching on this moment experience also. Say from Alien Farm International with confirmation trust to Alien State, United States of America. 6661 for the scar premium. Definitive original patent 666 in the world. Decorations my logo 666 Alien Farm International. Only available because about them. Uniform number vivo. Originally received by Alien Amartel, Holy Spirit Destiny, to explain also about them. Struggle case human commanding ghost in grave on millennium. Alien reincarnation human, honor of the 3666 in the world. Context said that's going to become stamp or logo original 666 in the world. Ownership by Alien Farm itself. 666 ICDM. 666 1 for the scar premium. Definitive relation car historical centurion to Islam Sharia and also Trinity Christianity, and then also Buddha Cheetah and kingdom in the world, and about iconic century to Caesar Emperor Imperium, and also about money logo US dollar or America to Alien Amartel National Waveform, and also about Great Britain pound sterling, or about England British also to Alien Amartel National Waveform. Alien family founder of England British actually. And Zectra also Europe and Imperium Rome's, and also Christian or Trinity Christianity and Egyptian and Zectra another. Contact confirmation to Alien Farm, and contact the sample say for about also called Ethernet or Internet Global. Actually our relations to 666 or numbering vivo. Confirmation for sure about that to Alien Farm Global. Contact just happen say also for about nationality money logo internet numerical Vivo, my logo 666 for explain relations 666 to Internet Global actually. About HTTP, about domain, about email or things, another application or software or foundations or first beginning, or contact back again to Alien Farm International for comprehensive explanations about that. Context Alien Farm Global on this moment improvement want to make acquisitions Corps International of them to 666 because the reform number is Vivo or complete by claim Internet ID 666 one for discount premium. But about Internet or another ownership or claim or set or authentic alien family ownership on international context for the general explanation actually this international, this world and things about the human civilizations, science and technology, religions also, but about economy, monetary also, things for the modernizations of economy, monetary, such also digital money, banking, forex, and etc. And also Internet Global. Wanted to claim by alien farming for include about the momentum decoration existence in my logo 666 alien farming ownership. Definitive significant for the authentic and context on the next appointment also the National Ethereum Galactica National UFO alien farming promote for the next appointment continue for about alien farm status as government interplanet developer for existence in multi-living planet on universe. 666 one for the scout framing definitive the true 666 original in the world going to become stand for alien farming corps next on this millennium. Code millennium, code 666, code human commanding goes to grade, code etc. It's going to become international code register also for me based context for stamping my logo 666 or about the refund number Vivo by head chairman or official ownership with alien farming global. The delegation name also and also Internet ID 6661 for discount frame as the founder of the 666 in the world. 666 original. Context alien farming global going to be considered for that, going to be thinking about that and still maintains for the preparatory committee or about their conversation next. So this moment calendar 17 December 2021 Friday alien farming global definitive or conversations with international about Internet ID 6661 for the scout premium for basic also about sharing case human commanding goes to grade quite strong quite significant based context this moment millennium about activity human conspiration supernatural human witch from countries for the rebellion or solid charters for challenging themselves charters also the group local domestic charters also on this progress. Definitive significant and already conversation for that with alien farming global as trans alibi or premium alibi about that. Actually about continued conversations alien with Europe since years before Report 6661 for the scout premium actually. about the human commanding goods from grave going to be right on Millennium. My code 666 or refound through 666 in the world. Code Jehovah also and ethnic customs following. Base context saying there's already been conversations with alien farming on Europe since years before Reform 666 one could discover me. Still, won't continue about that because Internet ID 666 one could discover me also. Alien founders now won't claim for their performance, for their contribution also as meaning on this progress. Alien Farm definitive hero for his progressivity, investigations, and also identifying suspect identity to countries. Experience telecommunications contact with the supernatural with basic first beginning, Premier RB to Internet ID 6661 for discovery. Claims with international court with total nominal 22 trillion rupiah. Definitive already being recognized and still progress or calculate about that segment case following to make the total nominal being possible and chase for responsible. By countries also base context include for the responsible meaning also Indonesia country government. 6661 for discovery context already suitable for registering the case on international court. Already happened since yesterday and also on domestic national Indonesia country and already received also by alien foreign cell on international, also United States and also national sky real estate national UFO alien America. 6661 for discovery meaning definitive stamp original for the 3666 in the world. Experience telecommunication contact body supernatural being alibi by public international who make sure these moment investigations or telecommunications include about terrorists in the same time. Latence or meaning also but about another than Islam. Non-Islam. Context say just happened on this second or this May. About also peoples from Asia countries. Hacker International Internet Global or about Hacker Economy Monetary Global is meaning also and what criminal also by them or conspirations rebellion challenging which countries on international for next explanation also. Moment experience supernatural, experience telecommunications contact body supernatural, proof about that. And for the resume, the little bit, need to be conference, need to be reported by the ID 6661 for company. So the next conversations international can be happen about that. Context here, premier going to alien farming gun, alien farm international is meaning. For REB, about claiming the ID 6661 for discovery. For about appointment also, decorations existence in national mine logo 666 going to become true by official committee alien farm itself. Definitive non-fake 666. Definitive non-internet hoax about title 666 by internet ID 6661 for discovery. Definitive proof significant and authentic by public alibi through countries since years before 2021, actually since year 2008, include also entertainment worldwide international such as also Hollywood and Bollywood and Islam Arabic also context need to match for that also and then also Indonesia country entertainment world also following. 6661 for discovery context definitive struggling for existence case human commanding goods from grave on this day. Dukun Bigu Ganjang, ethnic costumes local from country Indonesia, and also religions following them. Definitive confusing for the basic resources premier actually from Asia countries or about Indonesia, meaning also. Alien Farm God, Alien Farm International, definitive or stem since years before the 666 on discovery on Europe and also America and Islam as exclusive alibi for conversations about supra on this world, medicine, witch, or television performs also similar with that. Definitive non-guilty, definitive or recruit for international court provement on this moment case progress also actually. Definitive this case goes to human. Human commanding goes to rape, human witch, human activity supernatural. Definitive latent terrorist wave method on this millennium. Completing message pentagram Satan also is about mark of the beast international to this millennium. Fake 666 the already being matched being complete by 666 on the discovery to internet global claim on this progress. 666 on the discovery derivative going to become stem original for alien farm acquisition asset or ownership for the next legal corps corporate companion nations country banking money logo on international symbol money 666 the original 666 but then by Islam international Sharia 666 and but then also by Christian Trinity Christian for reasons historical also Centuria to 666 and then also kingdom in the world and also Emerter and also about the Buddha Cheetah and Egyptian also for the next quite many based context say definitive on files or data owned by alien farm itself can be contacted to them such also to alien state United States America also alien Morgan Angel or alien farm names and other. Definitive not to be done anymore can be explained for the next conversations and not to be plagiated or duplicated by non-responsible peoples or companion. Another than alien family corporate agreement with 666 one called discovery on this progress. Definitive include about reward money international to name it one corner 22 trillion rupiah. Definitive status going to become Stockholm for the money logo 666 product money and project next about them. Head chairman or official committee status the companion actually to alien farm itself with nationality to internet global also or meaning also taxing internet for alien family attribute as asset about them. But Confession International my logo 666 being proved by that also and also another assets of following case acquisitions by alien family international on the moment progress. 666 one for discovery. That's all for this moment conference calendar. People can search for the updates of the conference on internet social media on this day. You can also see alien farming international. Delegation also still insists to alien state not state of America and also says alien Morgan Angel, so alien Amartero also, besides also the alien Irwan Cornell, still human. The particular internet ID 6661 called discovery. Domicile address country Indonesia. Owner of reward money 22 trillion rupiah for the premier Stockholm include to alien family. Decoration existence money logo 666. 6661 for discovery. That's all. And also can be found also based on as contact say on YouTube also need to be said with ID 666 ICDM actually or ID Professor Ivan Cornell. Still waiting for the subscribe and also commitment for realization money reward or success and the project appointment decorations with alien farming. Existence in money logo 666. Nationality to internet global. Claim acquisitions by alien farming on this millennium. 6661 for discovery. Many social media include that already attached, already registered by internet ID 6661 for discovery itself. Thank you very much and see you again on my next conference. The sixth day God was created human as similar with Father and Son and Holy Spirit. Definitely the original 666 in the world and being alive by alien farming God on this millennium. Not to be duplicated, not to be a plagiate for the appointment realizations. Just one directions committee companion, nation's country to alien farm itself. Context say official residence include also United States America, named to the alien state and also the alien organ angel. Besides also following internet ID 6661 for discovery. So alien in one corner, still human, the residence address from country Indonesia. Honor of reward money 22 trillion rupiah. Still calculated and signatured by Alien Family Connections Trust International and also for the responsible premium to government country Indonesia. Because status suspect also definitive sabotaging ordinary life 6661 for discovering local peoples from domestic country Indonesia. Ethnic customs local there include also about the honorary job name Ivan Cornell. Karo, Nias, Batak, Java also got Begu Ganjang, got Yakwang, got Pocong, got Dukun, and religions for also. There's also Hindu or about the Buddha also similar with that. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum, Shalom and Om Swantiasun, Bodhi Satya. God bless you. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa. Saya akan terus menantikan untuk perkembangan persoalan ini dengan kontak yang terus saya upayakan berkelanjutan melalui internet global masa kini. Total nominal reward masih saya pertahankan 22 triliun rupiah sampai seumur hidup saya. Sampai jumpa. Only last second, last minute contact still happening, saying peoples from United States of America. Definitive on knowledge on contact with 6661 for discovering. Experience telecommunications contact bodies of control or live 6661 for discovering. Definitive support also by peoples from United States of America. About realizations reward money to name one corner also based context say need to be responsible by government country Indonesia, local peoples from domestic country Indonesia. Context say orang Karo, orang Batak, orang Nias and also another. Definitive or recognized from this experience telecommunications contact bodies of control happening and definitive or reposition for status as Stockholm also to my logo 666 United States of America. Chairman Alien Tate and also 6661 for the scarf remaining. That's all. Thank you very much. Love you, Sir Alien. See you again.